And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to prepare for a winter storm. Presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. A wise man once said, if you fail to prepare, then prepare to fail. In short, don't wait for inclement weather to strike before making proper preparations. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Pack an emergency kit. Winter storms can leave communities without power and other services for long periods of time, so it's best to prepare for the worst. Consider putting together an emergency kit for not only your home, but in your car as well. You never know where you'll be when inclement weather strikes. Your kit should consist of the bare essentials like water, non-perishable food, extra blankets, a shovel, a cell phone charger, backup battery, flashlight, extra batteries, a hand crank radio, and a multi-tool. For a complete list of what to pack in your emergency kit, visit www.ready.gov. Step 2. Drip, drip, drip. If the temperature is below 25 degrees Fahrenheit, you might want to consider opening all your faucets to a slight drip to keep them from freezing. Yes, you may see a slight increase on your next water bill, but that's nothing compared to the sticker shock of a burst pipe and water damage. Step 3. Make sure your prescriptions are filled. Bad winter storms have the possibility of keeping you shut in for days on end. This can be a potentially life-threatening situation if you don't have your medicine cabinet in order. So the moment you hear about a potential storm, be sure your scripts are full. Folks, these are just a few steps you should consider with a winter storm on the horizon. But there are plenty of steps that we didn't mention. The key is being prepared. The more prepared you are before the storm hits, the more comfortable you'll be when the storm hits. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to all who could use a little help with their winter preparedness. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a more prepared you.